With just one prompt, I generated this entire AI animation.
Playing on the beach, Eli and Maya discovered an old map leading to an underwater castle. They hopped in their boat, chasing the trail. Suddenly, a playful dolphin appeared, ready to guide them into the deep blue adventure.
Usually, you need 5 separate tools to make an AI animation video like this. But today, I'm going to show you a single tool that creates an entire story video with just one prompt. This tool lets you create any kind of story, like kids' adventures, thrilling mysteries, or even horror stories, while maintaining character consistency. And anyone can use this tool to create videos that are 100% monetizable on YouTube. So stick around. By the end, you will know how to create videos like this in just a few clicks. Let's get started. The tool I am using today is called Katalist AI. This tool can generate a script from your idea and turn it into a storyboard with just one click. It can maintain character consistency across every scene, lets you easily control a character's pose, and can change characters throughout your story with just a single click. To start, click the link in the description and sign up with your email. Once you are in, you will see this clean dashboard with everything just one click away. At the top, there are ready-to-go templates for anime, cartoons, commercials, films, even historical dramas, each with pre-built prompts. You can even generate a black and white storyboard or browse popular templates right from the homepage. On the left, you will see an option to build templates from scratch or start with a blank project. But as we already have a prompt for our story, we will hit Generate from Idea or Script. On the left, you can upload a script if you own. But as we already have a story idea, I will enter the prompt in this box. Then you may adjust the number of scenes to increase or decrease the duration of your animation film. For this video, I will stick to 10. But before I click Generate Script, let me quickly show you how you can generate unique story prompts for your animation videos. You may skip to the next chapter if you already have a story idea. I will use ChatGPT to generate fresh kids' story ideas. Open ChatGPT, paste this prompt, and hit Enter. ChatGPT will generate 10 unique and fun kids' story ideas for you. Repeat the process to generate unlimited story ideas. Carefully go through each idea, pick the idea that excites you most, and copy it. Head back to Katalist AI and paste your selected idea into the prompt section. Click Generate Script, and Katalist will craft a well-structured script complete with descriptive prompts, all neatly organized into frames. To tweak a scene, simply click on it and refine the prompt to match your vision. Next, choose your preferred aspect ratio. I will go with 16:9 and adjust the setting of your story. Then, click Next to pick from preset visual styles like cinematic, sketch, cartoon, comic book, or more. I will go with the anime style. Click Next, and Katalist will automatically generate characters based on your script, but you can personalize them further. Change their names, customize facial expressions, or even design new outfits, all while maintaining perfect consistency across every scene. You may also select a voice for your character and change the character's appearance before saving the changes. Then click Create Project, and Katalist will generate a beautifully cohesive storyboard with perfect scene continuity. As you explore each scene, you will notice a set of icons. The first allows you to download the image, while the second creates a duplicate of the scene. And clicking the pencil icon opens the scene editor page. Up here at the top, you will see the image and video tabs. First, let's explore the image tab. After that, we will dive into the video section. On the left are some icons. First is the character posing tool. Using this tool, you can reposition characters within the frame. But that's not all. Double-click on it, and you can change the pose of the character by tweaking the control points. For example, I will change the position of the hand and hit Generate. Here's the result. By simply adjusting the control points, you can effortlessly modify the character's pose. Next is the cropping tool that most of you will know, allows you to trim your scene. Then comes Generative Fill. This tool lets you add or remove elements from the scene. Select it, adjust the brush size, and paint over the area you wish to transform. For example, I want a dolphin leaping through the water. So I will highlight the space, and in the prompt box type a dolphin, then press Enter. In an instant, your imagination will materialize on the screen. You may also change outfits, add accessories like a cap, and even change the hairstyles. The possibilities are endless. Finally, the last tool allows you to upload custom images and weave them seamlessly into your story. With these tools at your fingertips, every scene becomes a canvas waiting for your touch to bring it to life. At the bottom panel, you will find the scene prompt. Just below are the characters, location, shot types, and camera's point of view. Let's delete the prompt and create something fresh. I will enter this prompt. To add a negative prompt, click the three dots and select Add Negative Prompt. Then type your prompt in this box that appeared. Then you can change the location, shot type, or point of view, and click Generate. And there it is, we have just added a new scene. This level of control is a game changer for creating scenes for your AI film. Once you are happy with the scene, click the Video tab on the top to switch to video mode. Then, in the panel below, enter your video prompt. Describe the action you want to see, or leave it blank for the AI to generate one. Just below that, you will see the model drop-down, where you can pick from options like Runway, Google VO2, Kling Pro, Kling Standard, Pixverse, and WAN. I will go with Kling Pro for this one. Then I will enter this prompt and hit Generate. Here is the result. Just look at the realism and the quality of the generated video. You can then click the Save button to save the video to the storyboard. I will then delete this scene and rearrange the clips to match your story sequence. Repeat these steps until everything looks just right, then convert them into videos. If you want to add more depth, you can easily add new characters and locations to easily customize your story. To add a scene, simply hit this plus icon or use the method I showed you earlier. Next, head over to the Timeline tab, where you will find all your scenes and narrations organized like a video editor. To add narrations or background music, click this button, then under Text-to-Speech, type in your narration. Choose the character speaking and pick the perfect voice. Hit Generate to create the audio. Or, if you prefer, you can upload your own audio and music files from here. Once everything's set, hit Generate All Video, select the video model you want to use, and click Generate Video to generate all the videos. Then, click Export, choose your preferred export option, and it will be downloaded to your computer. As for the pricing, you can try it out completely free for 7 days. After that, the base plan starts from $29, with 200 image credits and 700 video credits per month, along with these features. With Katalist, you don't have to buy multiple subscriptions and juggle between apps. You get all the AI tools integrated right in. If you want to try it out, I will leave a link in the description. Drop a comment if you found this helpful, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more AI-powered content. See you in the next one.